Hey guys, this is Julie. It is Monday, March 19th. It's 2:51 p.m. The markets are still open, almost closed. Um, I have big day today. Of course, the Dow dropped almost 500 points today, 470 something points. The Nasdaq was the big market that moved down. Here's that downward move. Started um, Sunday and then overnight Globex, and then continued with the U.S. session, flushing down to some prior day lows way over here, whatever March 8th lows on the NASDAQ. And now we're, forming a little bit of a bottom. Wednesday, of course, is the FOMC meeting. And I'm taking it that today's sell-off is the not really interest rate driven, but more or less Washington stuff. So be careful. There was somebody on Bloomberg who said that volatility is 100% back. Thank you, the Lord. And he's expecting 4 or 5 years of the volatile market returning. So, yay. And so, but here are my templates that I'll be featuring in the webinar this Wednesday. We've been having a lot of luck with them in the trade room, so be sure and sign up for the webinar so I can explain the templates in more detail, and then you can join us for the open house Thursday and Friday so you can see them in action. I have a market analyzer, obviously, that I have added some additional solvers. I've put the Super Trend Mom on a 3-minute, 15-minute, and 60-minute. And that gives me these retracement momentums so I know to stop pressing my shorts because I've got my momentum. My weekly, daily 60, 15 is over here, and I've added a 5-minute just to give me a edge on when those algos come in and start, doing their retracements. This turns all red when everybody's in tune, and you know that you can come in here and just, you know, hit it, to the downside, like today when it's selling off. It really is so, um, it's like a visual go and stop meter. It's pretty good. But here we're definitely in a retracement. It's at the end of the day. Like I said, it's almost 3 o'clock. In fact, it's 2:54. So there's 6 minutes left. And that's why you're seeing this sideways action, this up and down. So what I've got, I'll show you the some of the moves. This was starting that retracement, but when you get the move in the direction that you want, you first get your bar crossing your channel, and this is the 55 tick bar. You can, I'm sort of experimenting 50 ticks, 55 ticks, and I was headed on 50 ticks most of the day, and so I'll, theoretically, you could put one lot on, stop behind the bar, and then take these triggers, trigger ones, or this low um, dotted line. If you wanted the 61.8 triggers and just take those, that's up here, the red line, so it doesn't get up there a lot of the times. That's your outlier. So if you wanted to take like a low fib, you could take the 23.6, and that's a good trigger to get on because 23.6 will indicate that it will at least get back to its prior high or low and then continue on. As they say on the rules for the fibs, but I usually just set this on trend filter and that way it keeps me out of the choppy part. And right now we're in a retracement. And then when I have one on and taking those pullbacks, I've split the bar. So I've got a 20 tick bar. This is a 21. I'm sort of testing out the fibs. And I can come in and hit these triggers also um, when they make the pullbacks. This run did not give us a pullback. It just ran the whole way, changed bars, went down to the midline, and then at the 38.2, and then returned. But this would be a counter trend trade, so I don't know if you're a counter trend trader or you just stick to the original direction. But it looks like price is trying to get up to the VWAP. Here is the high-low 1 chart, and here's your VWAP for the day. You see these trades moving up and down. If you wanted to counter trend trade, you could set it to take these longs either with a, like that would get you in for any tick long, inflections long, or reversals long, which get you the lower pullbacks. And each one of these vertical lines, the green vertical lines, is an actual trade signal that you can trade in Raven or in Blackbird. Auto trade these signals. And the theory being you could take a one-on-one on all these signals and close your trade and put some position size on it, or you could just let it run and do a trail behind an average or a band. And again, the order flow indicators with the two high-low 2 templates that I've got here, the 50 tick and the 20 tick, have been working out fantastic and allow you to come in and see inside those pullbacks even deeper. So this bar is getting you in at the top of the bar, at the at the top. The high-low 2 bar allows you to get in much sooner. So it's getting you in at the low. So when you get a signal, like if it comes down and crosses back, so you got the signal, you would have been long. So you're getting in much faster. And then, of course, you can set your stop levels because it is so fast according to what your um, own budget is. However you want to trade this, you can set a stop level behind one of these solvers that I have for any of these triggers or fibs, or you can just put a, 30 tick profit target, 30 tick stop, whatever you want to do. Hit one or the other. And just understanding order flow trading, using this with your other indicators or trading systems, and recognizing that when price reverts to the mean, it's going to be running to VWAP. And so that's where it's 3 o'clock now. So I'm pretty sure that it's going to get up to 68.97 before 3:15 p.m. Pretty confident on that. So, you would trade normally like you would for anything else, just normal price action order flow trading. So come check us out. The webinar, I'll go in more detail regarding the solvers and how to use them on following that up and Thursday and Friday in the open house. So thank you so much. This will be my last video until the webinar on Wednesday, or until probably next week. I'll have the trade room open house Thursday and Friday. So this will be my last video of the week. It's Monday. Yay for me. So I'll be getting ready for the webinar and some other things that I'm working on. So I appreciate it. Thank you so much and hope you had a good day today. And as always, keep your stops close and your profits long. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.